welcome to this episode, this video. Today we'll be discussing more on what exactly is all these candlesticks and how we can identify them. Today we'll be discussing on the patterns of candlesticks, how they are formed, and the type of pattern they have or they could form. Okay, let's just take a quick recap of what we did the other time. We said this is the wick of the candle. This is the wick of the candle. Okay, this right here is the wick. The one that is going up here is the wick or the tail or the shadow of the candle. And also look at this small thing here. This one, they said it is the wick or the tail or the shadow of the candle. And I was trying to explain something to you all last time. We saw the last time the candles were green and red, but now you see they're blue and black. So it doesn't mean the color of the candle. What just happens here is just understand the psychology or the chemistry behind how the candles are formed. Okay, now look, this is a small bullish candle, and this is a small uh, bearish candle. Look at how it is formed. Now look at this. This is the body of the candle. Look at where it stopped. It opened. Look at the opening price here. The opening price was 0.01. Okay, now it went from 0.01, it went up for a bit, and it came down. This is the lowest point it could take, the lowest point here, and it went back up to the highest point, and it closed here. Okay, the same thing with this uh, uh, bearish candle here. It's the same procedure, just pretty opposite. It opened at this price here. It opened at the price of 0.013, and uh, it went down, went up again at the highest here, 0.037. Then it went back down here, the lowest level, went down back here. Then you see it went back to close here because of some pressure. So this is how they are formed, whether they are big or they are small or they have different sizes. But today we'll be looking at the hammer head candlestick. There's all called the hammerhead candlestick. So we'll be talking about it, how I'll be showing you the hammerhead candlestick. Okay, uh, this is pretty much like the hammerhead candlestick. Okay, let's just get it, find it around here. Uh, so there are different candlesticks pattern. Okay, so we're just going to find some of them here. Let's just go with the 1 hour chart. Don't worry, I'm gonna explain why how all these are formed in just some time. Give me some time, I will do all that. Okay, so a hammerhead candlestick is basically candlestick that is pretty formed. It has a large tail. See pretty example here. Has a large tail with just a huge body at the head here. This is called a hammerhead candlestick. Okay, this is called a hammerhead candlestick. Okay, so you just don't get confused about this whole procedure. Okay, this is called a hammerhead candlestick. So I'll be showing you more of all these candlesticks and how you can use them to predict the market. Okay, this video is just for me to show you, and I think I'll show you more of it. And before we go through to their patterns, I just want to show you all of them one after the other. Okay, there are a lot of hammerhead here. This is a hammerhead candlestick. This is a hammerhead candlestick. Okay, you see how the large head, large body size, then the long wick. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is how it works, and it's also a hammerhead candlestick. Okay, I think one example with just the last example, then we just round up this video, and we're done. And so we'll move to the next. There are a lot of candlesticks we should show you. This is a hammerhead also. Even though there's a weak, that's why I wanted to show you, because I think I was omitting those ones. I think you won't get the psychology if I omit anyone. So now this hammerhead, now look at this one. It has a little wick here, but it has a large body and a long wick, long tail. Is a hammerhead candlestick. Okay, uh, let's. I think this is done. I'll show you how it is being used, the pattern, and how to use it to make a trade. Okay, how it forms or helps in trading.